G'day from Air Tools WA. Ask us anything about air. This time we're looking at the AKKO AT42D diesel compressor. The AT42D is run by a 4-stroke 4.2 horsepower diesel motor which features an electric start as well as a pull start, a belt drive system and a 3-cylinder full cast iron pump with sprung valves that produces 12.2 CFM free air delivery. It also features an unloaded device which controls the speed of the motor, a liquid filled pressure gauge, a 1/4-inch regulator and a 90-litre tank. As you can see, the AKKO AT42D is convenient, inexpensive to operate and built to last. AKKO, dollar for dollar, unbeatable. For more information, please visit our website at airtoolswa.com.au. And as always, thanks for watching.